All right, so the problem for DMR says the steps Joey took to evaluate the expression are given. So our vocabulary word is evaluate, and we know that means that to solve or to find. So Joey took steps to solve this problem. 12 plus 4, parentheses 25 plus 5, close parentheses, divided by 6 minus 8. But they're asking us what should Joey have done differently in order to evaluate this expression. So he should have done something different. So he must have made a mistake somewhere. So we need to determine where that mistake was made and what he should have done differently. So we have to look at PIMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So parentheses is first. So 12 plus 4, parentheses 25 plus 5, close parentheses, divided by 6 minus 8. So we have parentheses 25 plus 5. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So you got 30. Good. So far, Joey did the first step, which is correct. Parentheses is good. Looking to see now in my problem of 12 plus 4 times 30 divided by 6 minus 8. Looking, do I have any exponents? I do not, so I can put a check over my E for exponents. Now I'm looking for multiplication and division to see if we have any multiplication or division. So I'm still on my second step, the 12 plus 4 times 30 divided by 6 minus 8. Well, looking here, Joey added 12 plus 4, but I know according to PIMDAS, I should be multiplying first. So I should be doing 4 times 30. So I should be doing 4 times 30 right here. I should be doing this step, or Joey in this case should be doing this step. So I'm going to put that in green. We should be doing 4 times 30 first. So we can now answer this question. We don't even have to continue going because we should not have done 12 plus 4. So what should Joey have done differently in order to evaluate this expression? Should he have multiplied 16 times 25 instead of 16 times 30? Should he have subtracted 6 minus 8 before dividing 480 divided by 6? That got him 80. So far, neither one of those is telling me that I should be doing 4 times 30. Should he divided 30 divided by 6 before multiplying 6 times 30? Still not talking about my 4 times 30. Or should he have multiplied 4 times 30 before adding 12 plus 4? And ding, 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 that is correct. He should have multiplied 4 times 30 before he should have added the 12 plus 4. Okay?